We'll guide you through how to show the Wi-Fi password on a Windows laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do, as it means you can go and access the password on your computer. You don't need to go and look at the router, as perhaps you can't access the router, or there's another reason why you want to do this. But with the password, you can then go and start connecting other devices to the network. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full video. So to go and get started, you want to go to the bottom of your computer, whether it's Windows 11 or 10, it doesn't matter. Press search, and you want to go and type in control panel like so, and open it up. In the control panel, you need to go and find the option for network and internet, and you can go and click there. In here, you need to find the option network and sharing center. Then you'll get brought here. So we can go to the right and you can go and see my connections. Currently it's Wi-Fi and it's the GR network. Of course, your network will be called something different. You can then go and click on it and we'll go and get this pop up. Now in here, you want to go and find the option for wireless properties. Make sure it's wireless properties, not just properties. So press that here. You then go and get this pop up and you need to go to the top and you're going to go and see some different tabs. You need to go and press security like so, and then it'll go and say network security key. This is your Wi-Fi password. So what you can do is press show characters and it'll then go and reveal the password. That's it there. And so then I can use it on other devices to go and connect them. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future.